Good morning, children. Today we are going to do activity on the types of pronouns.
Hi, Parmita.
So frame a sentence using personal pronoun.
She is my classmate.
What is personal pronoun in the sentence?
Here she is personal pronoun. This is a book.
Frame a sentence using possessive pronoun.
This book is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun. This is a comb.
Frame a sentence with reflexive pronoun.
I comb my hair myself. Here myself is reflexive pronoun. This is a pen.
So frame a sentence using relative pronoun.
Which color is this?
So what is relative pronoun in the given sentence?
Here, which is relative pronoun.
Form a sentence using demonstrative pronoun.
This is my box.
So what is demonstrative pronoun in the sentence?
Demonstrative pronoun is this.
Frame a sentence with plural demonstrative pronoun.
These are my pens.
So what is demonstrative pronoun in the sentence?
Plural demonstrative pronoun. These.